Hello, today on Model Corner we'll be looking at the Gemini jets, Delta Airlines Airbus A319 in 1/400 scale. As you can see, this comes packaged in a presentation box, which has, obviously the airline runs with Delta Airlines, the little Sky team, the airline alliance they're with, Airbus A319, model of the plane, and an image of the plane itself, which is identical to the one found inside the box. On the back, we have another image of the plane and some information about what a Gemini jet actually is. Back to the front, we can open it up. See the model inside without actually having to open the box. So you can have it on display like this if you wanted. And over here, on the lid, we have some information about the Airbus A319 and some specification information such as length, height, and wingspan in feet and inches, and that's of a real A319. And then some other information you might like to know, such as cruising speed, range, max takeoff weight, and things of that nature. Now let's open up the box and have a look at the model itself. It opens up very easily. It just comes packaged in 2 bits of plastic. Just take the top one off. There you have it, the Delta Airlines Airbus A319. Let's get into focus. In 1/400 scale. See, it's got tons of detail. This is a die-cast metal plane, so it's pretty sturdy. But there are some small things on the top, like these antennas, you must be careful of. If they're a bit rough, maybe you could break them. Now let's see, we can see tons of details, such as the flaps, ailerons, and the wingtips of this plane. We've got very nice jet engines, very detailed landing gear. On the bottom, it has a big word, Delta. And where the L is a little spot for if you want to add a stand to this model. See the landing gear, the Delta Airlines livery. We have a registration of N371NB with a little American flag next to it. Of course, on the vertical and horizontal stabilizers, we can see the elevators and the rudders. Nice Delta logo. Looking at it from the front and looking at it from the other side. Once again, you can see the Delta Airlines livery and the registration. So overall, there's a very nice detailed plane. It has a wingspan of about 8.95 centimeters and a length of about 8.46 centimeters. So it's a very nice sized plane, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.